Right, how you going, guys? Here we are on the next video. Yes, we're getting there as we move along. The next video here at Prince Street. We've got the gear out. The gear came out today. So all my brother's gear from my house movers. There's the sign. Okay, my house removals, raising, sliding, restumping. All his gear came out today. And now we start getting in place, ready to start putting all the gear back in. All the beams and the other stumps that got to go in yet. As you see, there's a few stumps still to go down the side here. As we get that, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And here in, what is it, 16th of June. Tuesday, yeah, Tuesday. I've lost track of time. But we're going for it. And Frank's just putting a tack weld on the beam there to stop it from moving, because there's nothing holding those ends up except welds. This end here, what we've done is actually, I've got a piece of steel, this top plate from the flange, the top flange, is still going over the top. So when they came down, they're actually sitting on top of the steel posts. So those beams can't come down. But yeah, that's where we're at. We're getting that ready. We've got the excavator here tomorrow. We've got a whole heap of stuff. Hilton did this retainer wall with his new plastic stuff, which is he did quite quickly. It worked real well, and that got in there, and he's backfilling that tomorrow. So we had to get the gear out today, so we get the excavator in with the 10 metres of gravel that's got to go behind that wall, and then of course all this loose dirt that's got to come out of here yet to get it the right levels goes behind that wall as well. So that's what he's up to tomorrow, while we're getting ready to. We've got a couple of holes to show you. We did these ones in the trench yesterday. We put these 3 in, and what we've got to do tomorrow is there's a hole there. The one we've got to dig out and bust over this way, and this one here. There's one there, and you can see where we've got to dig this out too, so we can get that posted to go there. And that hole is 3 feet deep in there. We've got to bust that out. There's another hole yet to be drilled over there once the excavator gets in here and moves some of these steel beams for us. So you can get in there and drill that, so we can put that post in. And then we've got all these steel beams we've got to prep and paint, which we'll be doing over the next week. And they go in under here, and of course for the extension that's going out the back, there's quite a bit of extension, goes all the way out to that little 3 feet past that post is the house, and then there's still another fancy piece going out there before we get to the pool. A lot of work happening. That's what you do when you're working for friend builders. A heap of stuff. But yeah, that's what we're doing. As you see, if you have a look here, I don't know if you can see it, but what I did, wonder if it expands. There we go. Look at that. Whee! Okay, if you have a look at that, what we have is I cut the steel back, the flange come back and down, so we can now weld across the bottom and up both sides of the web of that steel beam, which instead of giving us just 100 by 50 mil of weld around the bottom, now gives us 10 inches of weld on each side, which helps work as a brace across there. Okay, we do that on all 4 of them, which helps brace the whole place. So we'll shrink that back down again. There we go. Oh, look at that. I didn't know I could do that. Cool. That'll be great when I finally get to a new phone. All right. So that's where we're at there. We've got a stairwell running down there. Still got some permanent braces to put in. Quite a few more stumps to go in yet. And I think, yeah, we're doing okay. Be nice to be a bit quicker, but no, she's doing all right. It's not the easiest job to get into. A lot easier now that all the blocks are gone. Okay, and out the back, show you what it looks like at the back. We go at the back here. Hilton put that pool in 3 months ago. Got that done. So it was all done before they did the work here. There's the old house. Of course, that's all changing because the whole house comes all the way out here. I'm actually standing in the back doorway now. So that post there, there's another beam that comes across here, goes up to the roof. So I've got to put a piece of sea channel across there, and another piece of sea channel. Well, above me there's a whole stack of stuff. You'll see it as we go. We'll be taking videos of it. There's a lot of stuff to come. I've got a wind bracing wall that goes down this side, which is 5 pieces of 90mm post going all the way up to the roof, and a wind bracing panels going in. Oh, it's crazy stuff. But that's what the engineer wants. That's what we got to do. All right. Well, that's me for this afternoon. We're just about to pack up. We've done everything we can, and now we're off, head home, and back here tomorrow. And we'll see what we can do for doing a video tomorrow. But yeah, sorry we didn't show you a video of taking all the gear out. There's many things I'd like to show you, but unfortunately with the rules and regulations, with health and safety and yeah, litigation, there's a lot of things I just can't show you, because if I did, I'd be up on charges, because there's virtually nothing we do in house raising that, according to health and safety, is legal. So I don't know what they're going to do as time goes on, because it's a difficult job. You're not supposed to lift any more than 20 kilo. And today on the cement bags, we've got cement bags at the front. I did do a video, if you want to look back on the video Adam and I did with lifting cement bags. And on the back of the cement bag they say, for a 25 kilo cement, or 20 kilo cement bag, 2 people are supposed to lift that bag. Now if 2 people even try and lift it, you knock your heads together. Okay, it's only 20 kilos. If you can't lift 40 kilo in a building site, you shouldn't be on the building site. Okay? I lift 150 kilo up a ladder and walk up a ladder with it. So, you know, as soon as you go over 20 kilo, of course, if I get a labourer to do that for me and I'm paying him wages, I'm breaking the law. So there's many things I cannot show you, but of course, providing I do it, or my son does it, because we own the business, it's okay, they can't do anything to us. I can't show it to you. Anyway, we'll keep on going. You'll see the end result, and that's all that's important. So we'll talk again soon. Thanks for viewing. Please come back, watch more. There's more to come. Lots of stuff coming. That's all I can say. Heaps of stuff coming. But thanks for joining in, and please, you know the spiel. Please hit the like button and subscribe button if you would, please. Very much appreciate that, as we're trying to build the channel. Thanks, guys. Catch you again soon. Bye.